Welcome to Gear vs. Gear. The best Roche Posay Benzoyl Peroxide is probably one of the most talked about acne treatments on the market, and for good reason, as it's formulated with a potent yet gentle concentration of benzoyl peroxide designed to effectively combat stubborn breakouts, reduce inflammation, and prevent future blemishes, making it a go-to solution for those seeking clearer, healthier-looking skin without the harshness often associated with acne medications. Number 5. Roche Posay Toleriane Double Repair Face Moisturizer. Discover a daily moisturizer designed for all skin types. It provides immediate comfort and lasting hydration. This face cream is enriched with ceramides and niacinamide. These key ingredients help to repair and strengthen the skin barrier. Experience the double repair action that works to restore your skin's natural health. It leaves your complexion feeling soothed and revitalized. Enjoy continuous hydration throughout the day. Its formula ensures your skin stays moisturized for up to 48 hours. This fragrance-free moisturizer is gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. It calms and protects without irritation. Make it a part of your daily routine for healthier-looking skin. It's the perfect solution for maintaining optimal skin balance. What we like. This moisturizer offers immediate comfort and lasting hydration. It's formulated with ceramides and niacinamide to help restore the skin's natural barrier. If you have dry, sensitive, or normal skin and are looking for a daily moisturizer that soothes and hydrates without irritation, this is an excellent choice. What people say. This is the only thing that has worked for my acne. I have tried everything and this is the only thing that has worked. It has cleared up my skin and I have not had a breakout since I started using it. I have been using this product for about a month now and my skin has cleared up significantly. I have tried other benzoyl peroxide products before, but this one is much gentler and does not dry out my skin as much. This product is amazing. It has cleared up my acne in just a few days. I would highly recommend this product to anyone who is struggling with acne. Number 4. Roche Posay Anthelios Ultralight Fluid SPF 40. Introducing our revolutionary sunscreen, designed for ultimate daily protection. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 40 to shield your skin from harmful UV rays. Experience a feather-light feel with this ultralight fluid. It absorbs quickly into your skin, leaving no greasy residue behind. Formulated with titanium dioxide, this mineral sunscreen provides effective and gentle sun defense. It's perfect for sensitive skin types. Achieve a shine-free look with its oil-free formula. It delivers a smooth, matte finish that's ideal for everyday wear. Make it your go-to for daily sun protection. This sunscreen ensures your skin stays protected and comfortable all day long. What we like. This sunscreen provides broad-spectrum SPF 40 protection with a lightweight, fast-absorbing formula. It offers a matte finish, making it ideal for daily wear. If you have oily or combination skin and prefer a sunscreen that doesn't feel heavy or leave a greasy residue, this one is perfect for you. What people say. It provides strong sun protection while offering light, natural-looking coverage that evens out my skin tone. The texture is lightweight, non-greasy, and comfortable to wear all day. It blends easily, does not clog pores, and works well on its own or under makeup. Great option for sensitive skin and everyday use. It's incredibly lightweight, sinks in quickly, and gives just a hint of tint for a healthy, natural-looking glow instead of that chalky SPF cast. It is very lightweight and does not feel greasy on my skin. It absorbs quickly and does not leave a white cast. I have sensitive skin, and this sunscreen did not cause any irritation or breakouts. It works great under makeup and provides excellent sun protection. Number 3. Roche Posay Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser. Introducing a powerful cleanser designed to combat acne. It effectively targets and helps prevent breakouts. Formulated with 2% salicylic acid, this cleanser penetrates deep into pores. It works to clear blemishes and refine skin texture. This foaming face wash is enriched with LHA and glycerin. It helps to gently exfoliate while maintaining skin hydration. Say goodbye to shine. This oil-free formula is specifically designed to target and reduce excess oil on your skin. Experience visibly clearer and smoother skin. It helps to keep your complexion free from acne for a healthier look. Achieve a deep clean without stripping your skin. It's gentle enough for daily use, yet powerful against breakouts. What we like. This medicated gel cleanser is designed to effectively clear and prevent acne breakouts. Its powerful formula targets excess oil and impurities. If you struggle with acne, oily skin, or frequent breakouts and are looking for a deep cleansing wash to help manage your skin concerns, this cleanser is a great option. What people say. It's a nice gel and foams up real nice and smooth. It's not a thick, heavy gel either. It's very nice on the skin and no strong scents fragrance. It doesn't dry my skin out and pairs well with their Double Terrain Moisturizer. The La Roche-Posay Effaclar Medicated Gel Cleanser with 2% salicylic acid has made such a difference in my skin. It cleans thoroughly without overdrying and really helps keep breakouts under control. My skin feels fresh, smooth, and balanced after every use. The 2% salicylic acid, combined with LHA and glycerin, was clearly formulated for oily, acne-prone skin. The brand says it deeply cleanses, reduces surface oil by up to 47%, and is fragrance-free, oil-free, non-comedogenic, suitable for sensitive skin. After a few weeks of use, I noticed fewer clogged pores, smoother texture, and somewhat less frequent breakouts, especially in the T-zone and around my chin. The gel texture and foaming action are pleasant. It gives a clean feel without feeling like you're scrubbing your skin raw. Number 2. La Roche-Posay Pure 12% Vitamin C Serum. Discover the power of pure vitamin C. This potent serum is designed to visibly boost your skin's radiance and diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Infused with hyaluronic acid, it deeply hydrates your skin, leaving it feeling plump and supple. Experience a renewed complexion with every application. Formulated with salicylic acid, it helps to refine skin texture and control oil. Choose the perfect formula tailored for your normal or oily skin concerns. Achieve a smoother, brighter, and more youthful-looking complexion. Our carefully crafted formula is effective yet gentle on your skin. Incorporate this essential serum into your daily routine for a luminous glow. Reveal healthier-looking skin that feels revitalized and refreshed. Trust in our expertise for advanced skincare solutions. This serum is your key to unlocking a more radiant and refined complexion. What we like. This face serum is formulated with pure vitamin C to boost radiance and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It also contains hyaluronic acid and salicylic acid for added benefits. If you're looking to brighten your complexion, improve skin texture, and target signs of aging, this serum is a fantastic addition to your routine. What people say. My skin is so much more brighter and softer since I've been using it. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly without feeling sticky or heavy, which makes it perfect for layering with my moisturizer and SPF in my morning routine. The texture is lightweight and absorbs quickly, and it layers perfectly under moisturizer and makeup. I love that it contains 12% vitamin C, hyaluronic acid for hydration, and salicylic acid, which really helps keep my pores clear and improves skin texture. Number 1. La Roche Posay Anthelios Melt-in Milk SPF 60. Introducing our advanced sun protection, designed for both your body and face. It offers broad-spectrum SPF 60 to shield your skin from harmful rays. This formula is enriched with powerful antioxidants to help defend your skin. It works to neutralize free radicals and keep your skin healthy. Experience a truly lightweight feel as it absorbs quickly into your skin. You won't feel any greasiness, just comfortable protection. Our oil-free formulation is gentle on all skin types. It's designed to be non-comedogenic, so it won't clog your pores. We care about your skin and the environment. That's why this sunscreen is formulated without oxybenzone, offering a safer choice for your daily protection. Make it your daily essential for reliable sun defense. Its melt-in texture makes application effortless, ensuring you're protected every day. What we like. This sunscreen offers high SPF 60 broad-spectrum protection with added antioxidants. It's a fast-absorbing, oil-free formula suitable for both face and body. If you need robust sun protection for extended outdoor activities or for overall body coverage and prefer a formula free from oxybenzone, this Melt-in Milk sunscreen is a reliable choice. What people say. This is the only thing that has worked for my acne. I have tried everything and this is the only thing that has worked for my acne. This product has cleared up my skin in just a few days. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.